Here's a fact. Every day you meet more microbes than there are people on Earth. Yet most days you stay healthy. Much of that protection comes from innate immunity, the body's rapid response system. In this video, you'll learn what innate immunity is, the 4 main components that power it, and how they work together in the first hours after exposure. To start, innate immunity is the inborn, non-specific defense you have from birth. It acts within minutes to hours to block, tag, and destroy invaders. We'll explore it through a 4-part model: anatomical barriers, blood proteins, the inflammatory response, and the cellular response. Let's begin with the barriers. Mechanical barriers physically block entry. Skin seals the outside, while in the airways, cilia sweep trapped particles away from delicate tissues. Next, chemical barriers add a layer of protection. Tears and saliva contain lysozyme, which damages bacterial walls, and stomach acid destroys many microbes. Meanwhile, biological barriers come from your normal microbiota. These helpful microbes outcompete pathogens and keep them from taking hold. When the skin is injured, antiseptics can reduce microbial growth at the surface. Meanwhile, deeper inside, the next line of defense is already gearing up. Here, blood proteins, such as those in the complement system, tag invaders, attract immune cells, and can even punch holes in microbial membranes to destroy them. So far, we've covered barriers that block entry and blood proteins that mark and damage invaders. Want to turn those milestones into mastery? Tap the link to access the practice test, flashcards, and study guide, then jump right back into the video. Lock in what you learned and keep going. Now, let's turn to the body's on-site response: inflammation. Inflammation begins when chemicals like histamine and cytokines signal trouble. Blood vessels widen, and fluid and proteins enter the tissue. This response brings in repair proteins and white blood cells to the site, causing redness, heat, swelling, and pain, all signs that your body is working to contain damage and start repairs. Next come the cellular defenders. Neutrophils arrive first in large numbers, followed by macrophages and dendritic cells that clear debris and alert the wider immune system. Here's where phagocytosis happens. A cell engulfs a microbe, traps it in a phagosome, fuses it with a lysosome, and digests the invader inside. Before we wrap up, let's fix a common misconception. Innate immunity isn't weak, it's fast and broad. What it lacks is long-term pathogen-specific memory, and that job belongs to the adaptive immune system. Innate defenses recognize common microbial patterns and respond the same way each time. There's no memory, but there's speed and consistency. Finally, let's put it all together. A paper cut breaks the barrier, and complement proteins quickly tag the invaders. Inflammation follows and opens the door for help. Neutrophils rush in to clear the microbes, and the tissue begins to repair. To recap, innate immunity works fast and broadly. Barriers block entry, blood proteins tag invaders, inflammation recruits help, and phagocytes clear the threat, keeping you healthy day after day. Now that you've watched the video, let's see how much you remember. Head to the link in the description where you'll find Quizlet, content made just for you.